Hello YouTube, and today I've got a washing machine generator out for the video, and I've made this little module here a while ago. And basically what it is a full bridge rectifier which converts the AC current from this generator to DC current, and then it stores it in some capacitors, and then you get a little spark from the turning of this generator. So if we just flip it over like this, and then we make sure all the wires are separated, and we just give it a quick spin like that, then we should get a spark like that from the little module that I've made that attaches to it. It's very squeaky, but you can generate up to around 400 volts if you spin it really fast. Oh, like that. And we've got another spark going off there where the wires hit it. And it's I haven't made a frame for it yet, but hopefully one day I'll make a frame that holds it so that you can crank it with a crank. You can just spin it like that, and then it'll give you some. Oh, looks like one of the connections has fallen off. These wires are just held together by me twisting them together. They're not soldered or anything, so nothing's permanent. But if you just keep the wires wired up like that, give it a twist, and then pop, you get a nice little bang from the capacitors. Anyway, this has been my washing machine generator. I salvaged the parts for this out of an old washing machine. These old Fisher & Paykel New Zealand washing machines have this, well, there's two parts. There's this stator here in the center, and then there's this magnet ring around the outsides. So there's a bunch of rare earth ceramic magnets which line the rim of this disc here, which goes around this stator here, which is just a bunch of coils wrapped around these little pancake layered pieces of steel. The reason they make the steel in little laminated sheets is to reduce an effect called Lenz's law, which is when the force that reduces the efficiency within the motor, so it just increases their efficiency by stopping eddy currents from slowing the whole wheel down. And it used to be, the generator was powered like these would be the input wires that would power the thing to spin around, which would have a rod in here which would spin the washing machine around. But you can, because it's not an AC or completely AC motor with coils on both sides, you can use it as a generator. The modern ones you can't use as a generator. A lot of these cheap new washing machines, because they don't have a magnet disc, they just have coils on the inside and coils on the outside, and then power runs to both sides, to both sets of coils to spin the motor. But anyway, yeah, thanks for watching the video and have a nice day.